Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about 5 web browsers you probably did not know existed. Most of us use Chrome, Safari, Firefox or Internet Explorer or Edge for their ease of use or the safety of browsing. But did you know that there are other browsers who offer all the safety plus much more? According to W3 Counter, May 2017 statistics, Chrome is the number one browser, followed by Safari, Internet Explorer or Edge, and Firefox. Together, they constitute approximately 92% of the total market share. I would like to talk about 5 browsers, and in no particular order, I would like to start by talking about the web browser Vivaldi. Vivaldi is a free web browser developed by Vivaldi Technologies. Vivaldi can be downloaded from the link below. After you install it, you'll get this first screen which talks about a number of features of Vivaldi. You can click on the tab, which is also the speed dial option, and this is where you have the most popular websites already. You can add bookmarks by clicking on this icon here and adding a bookmark. You can also add a number of bookmarks within a folder. Now, if you move to the right top corner, you can add additional folders, just the way I have created one for news. To the left panel, you'll see a number of options, and one of them is to add notes. You can add as many notes as you like based on the website that you visited, so on and so forth. On the left bottom corner under narrations, you have the option of taking the screenshot of the whole page, or you can highlight a certain area that you would like to use as a reference point. The screenshot is saved on the left bottom corner right here. On the settings tab, when you click, you have a number of options that come up for which you can change to your liking, whether it is in appearance or if you want to make any changes to the themes. You can do so by scrolling down to the themes option on the left panel and making changes to your liking by changing the colors, so on and so forth. Now, the other option you could also, the other thing that I would strongly encourage that you do is to go on to the Vivaldi browser website and have a look at some of the features that are available. They have a number of features that have been showcased here, which it talks about some of the navigation options, the smart browsing option, so on and so forth. Well, that's on the Vivaldi browser. Now, the next browser that I wanted to talk about is the Brave browser. Brave web browser is an open source, fast and free secure web browser with a built-in ad blocker, tracking and security protection. Brave blocks everything on the web that can cramp your style and compromise your privacy. Brave not only blocks harmful advertising by ensuring no advertising malware is installed on your computer, but it also blocks tracking pixels and tracking cookies. Brave ensures your browsing is not tracked while you shop online. Brave is currently available for iOS, Android, and Windows. I will be providing a link below for you to download Brave and test it for yourself. This is the first screen that comes up when you open up Brave. And if you scroll down to the bottom right corner and click on the settings tab, you will come across various settings that you can change. You have a number of options of picking up what search engine you would like to use, or how many tabs you would like it to be open at any given point of time. So here is the new browser. It's been here, sorry, it's not new, but it's been here for a while, but it's another great browser for you to explore. Next up on my list is the browser Pale Moon. Pale Moon is a very safe browser based on the Mozilla release source code that has a large community of developers and security aware people. In addition, the Pale Moon team checks and verifies any reports of issues that might impact your safety on the web. When you open up Pale Moon, this is the first screen that comes up, and all these tabs, rather some of the websites have been tabbed together in a particular group. You can download Pale Moon from their website, or you can download it from the link that I have provided below. Pale Moon aims to provide a browser with a large degree of freedom in how people want to browse the web, which tools or extension they wish to use, and which feedback users want to see. In the main browsing window of Pale Moon, you can make a number of changes as you like, just like any other browser. And one of the interesting features is the discovery feature, which if you click on the left panel, you will come across a number of websites which have been clubbed together based on their various categories, whether it is entertainment, shopping, news. They've all been clubbed together for you to directly access them from this discovery tab. Similarly, for apps, there are a number of apps which are available for you to directly have an access to from their browser itself. And I find this feature very interesting and easy to use. If you click on the preference tab on the left bottom corner, you can make changes to the preferences as you wish. Next on the list is the browser Maxthon. Maxthon is a state-of-the-art multi-platform web browser that regularly outperforms other top browsers and offers users a seamless browsing and sharing experience. When you open Maxthon, this is the first screen that comes up, where you have the newsfeed running at all times. If you click on the top speed dial, you will come across the most popular sites that one typically visits. And there are folders. Now, if you click on one of the folders and go to any website, I wanted to show you a very important feature of Maxthon, which is the Max Note. If you click on the top and look at this option of the bumblebee right here, you click on this, you have a various option of adding any notes to Max Note, whether it is web content or it is a snapshot. So I'll show you an example. Okay, let me take a snapshot and show you how you can save it to Max Notes. Just going to highlight this here, and I'm going to add it. Add. Okay, now if I go back and then click on all folders, this is where this has been saved. And if I click on it, it was saved as a web content earlier, and this is where you have all the information, or rather the web page. Another feature that is very good in Maxthon is you can add any new record. If you click on the new record on top, and you can add any task list or anything that you would want to remember and sync it with your device. I'm just giving an example. Just write any task, and then if you sync it on the top with your mobile devices, this same task list or any item that you write down in here would be visible to you in your web browser as well on your mobile. One additional feature is on the right bottom corner of if you click, you can change the background to your liking. Well, that's it on this Maxthon, which I think is a fantastic web browser, and I would strongly encourage you to try it out. The final one on my list is the web browser Opera. Opera is one of the most popular web browsers after Chrome, Safari, Explorer, and Firefox. And it does have some very cool features which are not available in most browsers. Besides being safe, it protects you from fraud and malware on the web. One of the coolest features of Opera is the free VPN feature, which allows you to surf the web with enhanced privacy. To activate the free VPN in Opera, all you need to do is to check the Enable VPN box in the privacy and security setting of the browser settings. Once it is enabled, you can see it on the left top corner, the VPN has been enabled. And if you like, you can change any other destination which are available for you to change your VPN destinations. On the right top corner, you have the option of customizing the start page according to your requirement. You can also change the desktop or the wallpaper of the web browser. Now, the other option, another feature I would say is you can, if you use WhatsApp, you can directly enable the WhatsApp messages from the left top corner over here. And once you enable that, you will be able to see all your WhatsApp messages as and when they appear. Similarly, you can also enable the Facebook Messenger on the left top corner. The good thing about Opera is that it being relatively old, it does have a lot of extensions which are available on the web for you to download. If you click on the extension button, you should be able to see. All right, here you go. There are a lot of extensions that you can download and use them as and when you like. All right, so that's it, folks. These were the 5 top browsers that I had in mind that I would share with you. I hope you liked my video. Please feel free to subscribe below.